In business, we can be sleepy and lazy. If you haven't watched it yet, please follow link in the description. How you can close your loopholes if others has loopholes in a business. Sometimes you can close your loopholes on your business and sometimes you cannot or you don't know. To close loopholes, you need to outsource the experts. To outsource, you have to pay for that service. They will do it for a payment. With other business, don't keep only the money relationship. Also keep an good relationship. Don't connect everyone with money. Helping in business can save you in crucial times. For example, you have an container manufacturing company and your loopholes is a transportation. Help a company who is well running on transportation with improper or screwed containers, where containers itself is a loopholes for them. Reach them and offer them an sample support for them with your container, which makes them their business better. Then absolutely they will come into the picture to close your loopholes in a transportation. In business, not only money is a transaction. Win-win support is a great transaction than money. Support wins money. Money doesn't wins support. Your loopholes can be closed if others has loopholes. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. We try to decode that business in future videos. Continue to watch next on Selling is Wrong.